Now, Prime Minister Modi is all set to address the nation through his monthly Mann Ki Baat address at 11 a.m. today. Prime Minister Modi took to Twitter asserting that he has received several insightful remarks or inputs for his Mann Ki Baat talk, has appealed citizens to join in the address as well. Prime Minister's Mann Ki Baat address comes right at a time when coronavirus cases in the country is reaching the 25,000 mark. Interestingly, his address comes just a week ahead of the completion of the lockdown 2.0. It remains to be seen now if Prime Minister will give a broad hint on the lockdown extension. On Friday, government in its mathematical projection suggested that India could flatten the curve if the lockdown stays. In its projection, government estimated that growth trend will wane by at least 16th of May only, not before, keeping in mind that doubling rate now stands at 10 days.
लॉकडाउन का असर जो दिखना शुरू हुआ 4-5 अप्रैल से दिखना शुरू हुआ, वहां मैंने लाइन दिखाई है, क्योंकि उससे पहले वो असर दिखने से पहले हमें वक्त लगता है कि ट्रांसमिशन पे इफेक्ट होने के 10, 12, 14 दिन लगते हैं। तो आप देख रहे हैं कि उसके बाद स्लोइंग हुई है, और अगर आप देखें कि मैथमेटिकल मॉडल दिखाता है कि ये ऐसे फ्लैट होना शुरू हो रहा है, और आप ये भी देख रहे हैं कि अभी भी जो हमारी सेकेंड फेज है लॉकडाउन की, उसमें हम मिडिल स्टेज में है, और क्योंकि असर अगले 14 दिन, 15 दिन, 20 दिन भी चलेगा, तो हमारा ये असर मई के पहले से दूसरे हफ्ते तक भी दिखेगा।
Going over to Ashutosh Mishra reporting from Delhi. Ashutosh, please bring us the sentiment on ground. It's a Sunday morning. People are still adhering to this lockdown, or are we seeing a relaxed mood?
So, well, as far the images of the ground, Nabila, is concerned, so right behind me, this is one of the main market which connects, the South Delhi, particularly Safdarjung Enclave area. So, the deserted look on the road itself shows that how people are abiding by lockdown, though it's been more than a month. And, there could be cases of anxiety or several other complaints by the people. But largely they understand the message by the government and authorities that how social distancing and following the lockdown is essential if they want to save their own life. So clearly that one side, as far as following the lockdown norms are concerned, is being done. But at the same time, the government is also planning to to give certain relaxation, and perhaps why there were new orders also issued by the MHA. All the stores are considering, including Delhi, which has said that they will follow the MHA guidelines as far as giving permission to the shops are concerned in particular areas, barring the red zones or the contaminated zones. Now, since Prime Minister is also going to address his Mann Ki Baat to the people this morning at around 11 a.m., we'll have to also see whether there are some more relaxation will be announced, maybe announced or not. And as the authorities are saying that lockdown is required at least for second or third week of the May, whether there going to be a new indication by the Prime Minister that lockdown is going to be extended or not.
Let's see what the Prime Minister has to say himself. Ashutosh, thank you very much for joining us with those details. In his last Mann Ki Baat address on 29th of March, Prime Minister had in fact sought the nation's forgiveness for imposing the lockdown. Here's what he had said earlier.
कोरोना वैश्विक महामारी से आया हुआ ये भयंकर संकट, ऐसे में मैं और कुछ बातें करूं वो उचित नहीं होगा। लेकिन सबसे पहले मैं सभी देशवासियों से क्षमा मांगता हूं, और मेरी आत्मा कहती है कि आप मुझे जरूर क्षमा करेंगे, क्योंकि कुछ ऐसे निर्णय लेने पड़े हैं जिसकी वजह से आपको कई तरह की कठिनाइयां उठानी पड़ रही हैं। खास करके मेरे गरीब भाई बहनों को देखता हूं तो जरूर लगता है कि उनको लगता होगा कि ऐसा कैसा प्रधानमंत्री है, हमें इस मुसीबत में डाल दिया। उनसे भी मैं विशेष रूप से क्षमा मांगता हूं। हो सकता है बहुत से लोग मुझसे नाराज भी होंगे कि ऐसे कैसे सबको घर में बंद कर रहे हो। मैं आपकी दिक्कतें समझता हूं, आपकी परेशानी भी समझता हूं, लेकिन भारत जैसे 130 करोड़ की आबादी वाले देश को कोरोना के खिलाफ लड़ाई के लिए एक कदम उठाए बिना कोई रास्ता नहीं था। कोरोना के खिलाफ लड़ाई जीवन और मृत्यु के बीच की लड़ाई है, और इस लड़ाई में हमें जीतना है, और इसीलिए ये कठोर कदम उठाने बहुत आवश्यक थे। किसी का मन नहीं करता है ऐसे कदमों के लिए। लेकिन दुनिया के हालात देखने के बाद लगता है कि यही एक रास्ता बचा है। आपको, आपके परिवार को सुरक्षित रखना है। मैं फिर एक बार आपको जो भी असुविधा हुई है, कठिनाई हुई है, इसके लिए क्षमा मांगता हूं।
Now, India, helmed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has topped a global opinion poll on handling coronavirus conducted by Gallup International Association. 83% of Indians agreed that the government is quite handling the crisis well. The SNAP poll was conducted in 28 countries. In the survey, a sample of women as well as men were interviewed over the last 2 weeks, either face-to-face or online. And 83% are said to have agreed that the government of India has been handling the outbreak quite well.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.